Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about my February favorites. So if you want to see everything that I've been loving for the month of February, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. All right, I have kind of a lot of products randomly. I didn't think I was going to have any, and then I ended up with quite a few. So first off is this. I'm sure I've mentioned this in a favorites before, but it is called New Lash, and it's a lash enhancing serum. This stuff is seriously amazing. If you don't like to wear fake lashes, this stuff will help your lashes grow. I know that they have one for eyebrows too if you have like really sparse eyebrows, and it just helps your lashes grow and become more full. So I don't really like to wear falsies, like I never do it ever. So this really helps my lashes to stay really strong and nice. I will say that if you stop using it, it will stop working, so your lashes will go back to what their normal state is. But this is amazing. It takes like 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks to see a difference. But then once you see it, you can go down to using it like once every other night. I usually it comes with a little brush, and I just brush it onto my lash line every night before I go to bed. It's just part of my nighttime skincare routine. So this stuff is amazing if you don't like to wear falsies, which I will link it down below, as well as everything that I mentioned today. Next up is from Hourglass. I actually did a full video on this, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it, which I'll link it up here and also down below. But this is the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlight. I have mine in Champagne Flash, and it has the same packaging as their Vanish Stick foundation. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it comes in this exact packaging. And this is just the champagne shade, and it is just the most gorgeous highlighter. Usually I'll just use my finger. I have it on today, actually, but usually I'll just use my finger and then just dot it onto the high points of my cheekbones, down the center of my nose, and on my Cupid's bow. But I love this stuff. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it comes in like 5 shades maybe, but it is stunning, and I just have nothing but amazing things to say about it. Next up is from Patchology. These are the Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels, and these are amazing. They come in this container, or you can buy them, and they come in little sleeves, which are amazing for travel. I'm gonna try to not pour anything out and also let you see this. So there's 2 different ones, and they're just stacked. So you just take one and put them under each eye, and you can let them sit there for like 5 minutes before you do your makeup, and it will help your eyes look so, it just is depuffed, and they just look so energized. So this is a good hack if you're not getting your full night's sleep ever. I love these. I also like to use them just on the weekends, but if you're getting up early and you need to look like you are well rested, these are a lifesaver. This is from Origins. It is the Gloom Away Grapefruit Body Wash and Bubble Bath. Oh my gosh, you guys, this Gloom Away line smells insanely amazing. Like, the grapefruit scent is one of my absolute favorites, but I've been using this for body wash and for bubble bath. I love it for bubble bath. It is just so relaxing, and it just like makes you feel energized and rejuvenated. But I also really love it for body wash. It lathers really nicely, which is something that I hate when I put a body wash on and I can't get a good lather out of it. It's one of my biggest pet peeves, but this stuff is amazing for that. Earlier this month, I tested out some of the Real Techniques Blush Crush brushes. I will link that video up here and also down below, but this is the Brush 300, and I have been obsessed with this one. It's so good. I've been loving it for contour and bronzer, mostly for bronzer, which essentially I guess is the same thing. It's just a little less precise, but it's just so flexible, and I just feel like it works so well for bronzer. So I've been using this every single day since I got it, and of course the adorable packaging does not hurt. So I think these are super cute, and I highly recommend this one. It is the number 300. Next up is this from Laura Mercier. This is the Rose Gold Caviar Stick Eye Color, and it's just like a little roll up stick eyeshadow, and it's the top one right here. And it is just the most gorgeous color. But not only is this really pretty, I think it's super easy to apply. You literally just place it where you want it. You don't even have to blend it out if you don't want to. I usually just tap over it. But it's kind of a drier formula. It's not a liquid or anything, obviously, because it's in a stick. But after you set it down, you literally don't have to do anything to it, and it won't smudge. I had like right now, I can blend it out a little bit, and it'll blend a little bit. But then once it dries and sets, it literally will not budge. I had a swatch of it on my hand the other day, and I realized that I went to the gym and came back and I was all sweaty and it was still sitting in its place on my hand. So this stuff will not budge. I just think it's so easy and it's just foolproof, which I love products like that. All right, I did a video on this too. I think I just posted it a couple of days ago. It is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. This stuff and the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream, they have almost identical packaging. They're very similar products. The shade range for the Bye Bye Foundation is amazing. I really, really love this product. If you want to see the full review on it, and I demo and do half my face in each of these just so you can see a full comparison, I will link that video for you. But this stuff is great. I love that they have a light medium shade because that's really where I'm at. In the summer, I'm usually medium, but in the winter, I'm kind of usually like light medium. So the light for the CC cream, I have light and medium, and I end up having to mix them all the time. All right, this is the, I know I've mentioned this before too, it's the Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment in the shade Rosé. I'm running out of this and I'm so sad about it. This is all that I have left. So it winds down so much. I'm seriously gonna be so sad when I run out of this shade. I'm just gonna have to rebuy it, but it is amazing. I cannot say enough good things about it. This is my favorite tint of the ones that I've tried so far. I think I've tried like 6 or 7 of them, but this shade is just so good. It's just a really nice wash of color when you're not trying or when you don't have a lot of makeup on, and just to throw in your purse and go. It's something that you don't really have to think about when you're applying. You can just throw it on like any other lip balm, but it just makes you feel a little bit more put together. I know I'm gonna say this name wrong. Umura. I'm for sure saying that wrong. This is the Texture Wave Dry Finishing Spray. And guys, this stuff is incredible. My hair, this is my hair how it just naturally dries. It's pretty flat, it is very fine. I have a lot of it, but it's very fine and it's very straight, so it doesn't have a lot of body. And this, when I put some waves into my hair, which is how I normally wear it, and then I put this in it, I have actual volume and kind of grit. So if I wanna hold a hairstyle, I can hold it no problem. I can put a ponytail in and it will stay. I can put a braid in and it looks thicker and more texturized. So I am just loving this stuff, and it doesn't make your hair feel sticky. It'll actually dry down and feel more manageable. I don't like the wave sprays or like the sea salt sprays that make your hair feel sticky for the rest of the day. So every time you touch it, it just feels gross. This will make your hair feel more gritty because it has more texture in it, but it's not gonna feel sticky, if that makes any sense. Another random item I've been loving are these tassel earrings. They are, I think they were $12.99 maybe, but these are so cute for spring. I just think that they're adorable. They're the perfect color and they were so affordable. I think that some of the sites sell them for like $40 or $50, and I just think that for a trend item like this, you'll wear them, but you're not gonna wear, these are never gonna be your everyday earrings. So I think for items like this, I like to find them on sale, and these ones were such a steal. Last but not least is this nail polish. This is the shade that I have been wearing on repeat for over a month now. It is from Essie. It's their Gel Couture line, and it's in the shade Matter of Fiction. I just think that this is the prettiest like white light pink color, and this stays for so long. So if you have your nail polish that chips all the time, this stuff has changed my life. I love it. I did a full thing on my Instagram stories about it, and I kind of compared the brushes. So if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me there. I share tons of pics of things that I love and test out, and just different videos of them. But yes, I am obsessed with this. I have a full drawer full of OPI polish, and I feel like I just want to throw it out because these are so freaking good. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I've been loving for the month of February. Let me know down below what your favorite items for February were. If it's something new, then I'll definitely look into it. Maybe I can try it out too. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.